If you've ever wished you could turn your ideas into video clips without needing a camera or animation skills, Canva has just added a feature that makes that possible. Thanks to a new integration with Google's Veo 3 model, you can now create cinematic quality video clips directly inside of Canva using just a simple text prompt. Here's how it works. From your Canva homepage, click on the Canva AI tab in the top menu, and then choose the Create a Video Clip option. You'll see a prompt where you can describe the scene you want to generate. For example, a thunderstorm passing over a desert landscape. And you can also apply optional style suggestions Canva offers, like making the video cinematic, surreal, or animated. To show you what this looks like in action, I'm going to try a prompt that's a little tongue-in-cheek, but also very on brand. A woman business owner is relaxing in a hammock after finally organizing her Canva account. She says, "It's not a vacation. My Canva's just organized now." Once you hit generate, Canva creates an 8-second video clip in 16:9 format, complete with an AI-generated soundtrack that's synced to the visuals. So let's watch the video it created.
It's not a vacation. My Canva's just organized now.
It actually did a pretty decent job capturing the vibe I was going for and definitely sells the idea of a business owner finally getting a moment to breathe. And for me, this would be a great fit as a playful visual to use about the benefits of Canva organization. It's a fun, unexpected way to reinforce the message that once your digital workspace is tidy, everything else just feels a little calmer too. Your generated video is automatically saved in your Uploads folder, and you can add it to a design as needed, where you can trim it, add text overlays, layer in music, or combine it with other video content. Or you can download the generated video directly via the Uploads folder. Now, while it's definitely fun to play around with this kind of tool, I'd encourage you to think about how to use it in a way that supports your brand voice and your offers. Whether you're creating visuals for a launch, a lead magnet video, or something more evergreen, this feature can be a creative way to elevate your content when used intentionally. A few important notes before you go testing it out. The Create a Video Clip feature is currently available in English only and is limited to Canva Pro, Enterprise, and not-for-profit accounts. And users only get 5 video credits per month, so it's a limited use feature. Great for high-impact clips you'll actually use in your content. If you're not on Canva Pro yet and you'd like to give this feature a try, you can start a free trial by heading to brendacadman.com/pro. That will give you access to this feature along with the rest of Canva's premium tools. So go ahead, test out a prompt, see what it creates, and start thinking about how you might use AI-generated video clips in a responsible way that supports your business and enhances your content. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. Learn more about how to get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro at brendacadman.com/pro.